Alright, it's pretty treacherous up here. This is Yellowstone National Park. I can't believe what I'm doing. Oh my God. I'm a little scared, but I got this. I got this. This is one of the passes. I'm in a snowstorm. But I just got a shot of this absolutely beautiful, I think it was an elk, but it looked like a reindeer. I've had an amazing day. Saw some pretty amazing things. My God, when I was young, when I was like in my early 20s, I was scared to drive into San Francisco by myself. I have come a long way. All right. There's some other cars coming up here. Gotta get back to the campground. I think we've got about an hour still to go. My God, look at this big rig. Oh boy. It's a fifth wheel. If he can do it, I can do it. Alrighty.